Well, we started Beef Direct about 11 years ago now. Myself, my wife, Fiona. It's always been an ambition to come back more local, and we opened a shop, Moo Baa Oinc in Beaumaris, which sold our own beef and lamb and pork from another Anglesey farm. As well as that, we specialise in other local produce in the shop, in the area we call the Locus. Well, Cywain has been very helpful for us in the start. We had the Meet the Buyer project. We had 2 days meeting people. They also mentored us and gave us advice. Quite a few other people we knew before, but there were others we did not know about, and we've selected things we think would be useful for us to sell in the shop from the people we met those 2 days. Well, we're very fortunate. We've employed probably the best young chef in Wales, Aled Williams. He's an Anglesey lad who wants to come home. He's been around the world, very, very experienced, and won many awards. He will be in charge of the cafe and our restaurant, which will be opening shortly. And here, again, the whole emphasis will be on sourcing locally, local produce, wherever possible.